customers will be able to speak with their bank or mortgage lender without it having an impact on their credit score. They'll also be able to change to an interest-only mortgage or to extend the term of their mortgage and go back to their original deal within 6 months, also without impacting their credit score. There will also now be a minimum term of 12 months before a home can be repossessed without consent. Let's take a listen.
I just want to say is to everyone who is worried about the high inflation that we have in this economy at the moment, tackling high inflation is the Prime Minister and my #1 priority. We are absolutely committed to supporting the Bank of England, to doing what it takes. We know the pressure that families are feeling. That's why we've introduced big support packages around £3,000 for the average household this year and last. But we will do what it takes and we won't flinch in our resolve, because we know that getting rid of high inflation for our economy is the only way that we can ultimately relieve pressure on family finances and on businesses.
Chancellor, that's great for credit scores and those at the really hard press, but you've just had the biggest names in banking here. Are you saying you've actually agreed nothing for millions of borrowers who are seeing their rates jacked up? They will not be able to afford them.
Well, as I said, we agreed some very important things for people who are worried about their rates going up, not just the people who are in an extreme situation, but the most significant thing is that they can pick up the phone to their bank or their mortgage lender and talk about their situation without any worry that it will impact their credit score. And if they decide to make their payments easier by extending the period of their mortgage or by going to an interest-only package, they can go back to their original package without any questions asked, without any impact on their credit score within 6 months. That's the reassurance that people like Martin Lewis have been saying will make a big difference for families in those situations.